Welcome to Soft Review. In this video, I am going to show you how you can convert your script into video in just minutes. I don't have a script right now, so I'll be using ChatGPT to create my script and will start converting that script into video using this service. This service is free. You can just use the link in the description and you can sign up, and there is a free trial. So we'll see how the dashboard looks like. Once you log in, this is the dashboard that you can see. First, we'll be converting a script to video. For that, I am using ChatGPT, and we'll be pasting that created script here, and we'll have to give it a name. So that's the first process. You need a script in order to convert it into video, and this highlight function is to actually guide the AI to get us the most relevant visuals for our script. So we are just highlighting the keywords that AI can look for when it's going for the videos. In the stock media library templates, in the sense, this is how our captions or like subtitles will look like. If we select this particular template in the my template area, this is where we set our own branding and template size and colors and things like that. For this example, I will select this template and will select the aspect ratio as 16:9, so that we can use it for YouTube and other social media. So once that's selected, it's like preparing our video and the script is ready. This is where all the magic happened. It converted our long script into small scenes and found the correct relevant video for the scene as well. Now let's look at how to actually edit the text that we see in the screen. For that, you can do it directly. You can adjust the font size and you can just drag and drop it anywhere you like. You have all the customization options. Once you click, and you can start editing the text, and you can change the font if you like. There are like different fonts to choose from. You can select the one you like, and now they have added new elements like text stickers as well. This is a new addition to the Pictory software. So you have a collection of stickers, and you can delete it and add other GIFs as well. It's directly integrated to the Giphy website, and you can add emojis of different styles as well. You just need to click on the particular emoji and it will directly come on screen, and you can just delete it just like that. Now let's look at some of the background music available with Pictory. Once you find something you like, you can just click on apply, and that will apply that entire music background to the videos that you selected. This background volume will go to 10% if you select like a voiceover.
Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown that video increases conversion rates.
Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown that video increases conversion rates by 80%.
Welcome to Pictory.
Welcome to Pictory.
Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown that video increases conversion rates by 80%.
When you click on apply, your script will be automatically converted to voice. You also have the option to upload your own voiceover. Once it's uploaded, you will get two options to select it for the current scene or to the entire video. Once you select entire video, it auto synchronizes throughout the video, and it also asks whether the voice has like intro and outro, and select the option that fit your needs, and just click on proceed and wait till the voice synchronization is over. Then it will give you a preview. Most of the time it will synchronize everything correctly, but if you still want to change the text to the video, you can do that. You just need to exit the preview from clicking on that cross icon, and you can just click on the add voiceover button. Now it has like many options. There you can see there is adjust voiceover. When you click on it, you have the option to adjust the voiceover to match the text on the screen. You can just adjust it like this and see the preview there as well instantly. So if once you are okay, you can just close it. So for this I am just going to remove it. When you click on audio settings, you will see that background music is set to 10% automatically. That's also a neat feature, and you can also adjust the volume like you want. This is another important feature with Pictory. You can set your brand intro and outro here, and this is where you add your branding. You can add this once and you can use it every time when you produce a new video. As you can see, you can adjust the logo size, you can adjust the logo opacity, and you have full complete control over the settings here. I have seen in the previous section, you can add all sorts of animations and customization here. Why is this important is like with this area you can select as many templates as you want. So if you are like having different clients, and if you want to set different intros and outros for your different clients, you can do this all from here. You can set intros and outros just like this, and you can use it for your different clients without having to manually do that again and again. So it's only a one-time process, and it helps you like stay up to date with your brand all the time. In the format section, you can also adjust whether the output is 720 or 1080. You can also use the compress feature there by toggling the button. That will compress the video size but will take more time to process. Now let's look at how to change the size of the text on the video. Just click on it and change the size. And if you want to apply this to the whole video, you can do that as well by just clicking on the apply to all button on top there. As you can see, the size is applied to the whole scenes. And you can, and if you are unhappy with the initial video that Pictory picked for you, you can always go and swap the video with your selection just like that. As you can see, now it's the more related YouTube video. And once you're happy, you can always click on preview and it will generate a preview for you. And once that's ready, you can just preview the video.
Welcome to Soft Review D. There are several ways to make money on YouTube. Sponsored content. You can also earn money through sponsored content, where a brand pays you to create a video that promotes their products or services. Ad revenue. You can earn money through advertisements shown on your videos. YouTube will place ads on your videos, and you'll earn a portion of the revenue from each ad that plays.
Once the video is generated, you will not see this watermark of story blocks, and you have also 3 options to download the video directly, or you can use a spreadsheet for making it to different posts for mass upload. Especially useful when creating highlight videos, and you can use Hootsuite, which is a social media management platform, to send out videos to all your social medias. If you love to learn more in depth about this software, I have included a full tutorial. I'll include that in the end screen. Do check that out. So this is the pricing of this software. It's $19 per month. You can create 30 videos, and I'll include a link in the description where you can save up to 20% or lifetime. And hope this video was helpful. If you liked it, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching. Have a great day.